So they will cooperate to establish the fight. And what they are saying is, the Eka Centroni I abono no. I don't cry the fire service for Samuka say alleged. I mean, to some extent because facts be here to establish. Police phone a bit in the amamo. Say indeed, obaji medical report. Now they are quite share na oma examine we na omutimi establish ampa omo de omo sake kano ne nsachi atwitwi eze ne sika no de ani nyina no something that mobetimi atwen police no ma establish the facts say them kano. The third paragraph was see the video catches an altercation between firefighters and a suspected thief who had earlier attacked firefighters along with a group of accomplices at the fire scene. Nti omo say the ehwe omo the first paragraph now omo the open omo statement no omo say alleged. Omo say alleged firefighters no they are yet to be identified. Personnel that you they are yet to be identified. And civilian also no the identity they are yet to established. But the third paragraph no essay video na ye hunu ye video a eye menteme ho ase eye between firefighters mranche mba so mba kuja any abranche a wo mo suspect say we kronfo na sa abranche no no wadi kan aba ho 87.9 ane mranche bi aba ho be attack firefighters no. Okay, now the omo can say omo I institute a committee to investigate the incident and establish all relevant facts. Omo asem no. Now almost say fire service a condemn attack on its personnel. It equally frowns upon any forms of physical or verbal assault on civilians by its personnel, regardless of the level of provocation. Even though I'm condemn so by attack or Crawford in him, almost so omutia say where personnel when a civilian ebenyan tokano abo bonus o sha dia helmet di hwiri tirim sa almost say adia wo mu chiri kra enti they say ade ehwe animu ni say mrantie yi by a nano pay also fire service for more publish statement me who say mrantie no identify because mrantie ogina we say me minimum no there is no way I catch them say difficult me to identify no wonu kwa kra de okuta helmet yet me identify na o mama kan nyina e betima you see no yeah consistent at a point fire service ye defend emma edru ba bia ye kra no ye ka say we attack one firefighters and answer we to abo kra bo tender e we say fire tender ba na nkrofo to abo de abom ya condemn sa de no. But the fact of the matter is that if you suspect that obi a armed robber and also be a thief in this contest, almost a thief. It is most suspect is any pani a thief. You arrest the person and hand over the person to the police. Oh, it's why you do saniam. Oh yes, saniam away. Look at that. Well, cry the back on the carbon. Look at it. Wama run hunyina and wama bono. Na wamu chiri sense and troni becha. Omuchiri sen centroni ebetwa na odi aba abonten enti no centroni no yenye the phone Akoma FM 87 the centroni no yenye the phone all because se ba abonten a yenim se de ye ne nye me see aye consistent say tembia na ye condemn say civilians ebe attack firefighters. At some point, they feel that oh oma medru ntem enti no ba omo ba no kra no de asi no ye de be hye omo na omo attack omo ya condemn wa ha at no point and if you are credit defend side and say and sometimes me aminia regional PRO o tie ma no pa ya wonim be ya dwen se dru ba bia I mean we yanemo ya dwen say resources am wo won esua sometimes mo ankasa mo go extreme mo go to that extent of even risking my lives say the be ya you betimi a service situation be this is what you do and you bomb maso for that. But some mobile to the extent of attacking a journalist or yen a juma. All because at the end of moyen, you knew, say at the end of moyen, and yet this is an account and police for Munyan Shushemu because we a sem troni. And I say yen sem troni tinquani, can you need the single the outer can. A brantiano moyen sano. Brantia no a wo mu ebo ne saa no ono de captured ene yahui ye ne answer drone de ne de we nya video as we speak nya video bia but we captured and this is bad. So it says sika 10,200 and also so no ye be ne den police be hwehwemu establish sampa sika no saa na tie ye ntua ma no anade ye hwe ye twen ye hwe but saa de no de na nye ya answer trofo ya na de saa videos ni ba videos na nkofo attack mu a ye de ba ne be condemn ade no mo ye no ya na ye de ba enti bi de ye ntwa bi de me ye ntwa ho ebi de ye ba ye ntwa ebi de ma ye ntwa de be ba ye de be defend mo no ye ntwa mfa ma defend mo Nemo de amuso mo ye no a enye no ma ye ntwa ma me ka ho asem. I mean, what is this? Even to establish say akwa no kra no ye kronfo. Mo statement no is also alleging. Mo statement no say alleged. Enti at this point se mo bo abrantie mani pra mo bo na mane ye mre na afa mo confirm say onye kronfo na se wo free mu a eno ye be kan say in the fire service we one try and we expect that Director General in Nkrofo nyina betu anamo a ebeboa say dem okay say omo attack mu say attack ikura mo kan say video be ba bonte bon say bia enuanom centrofo bia na say obi o wa around betimi this videos na ba bonte there will effect arrest one report my police arrest na omo effect arrest but not to go to that extreme say hey omo ya no hey anyway Mini Sikapa, me da say, I mean, Chia, no, good morning, Sir John. It's been a while. Me know your dream, sir. We are condemning the actions of the Ghana National Fire Service. We must also endeavor to accept certain truths. The attack on the journalists is 100% condemnable, and such acts against journalists must stop. That notwithstanding, I do not believe the story regarding the alleged missing money, especially the claim that the specific amount was removed from one bundle of cash, with the figure being around an amount. We should advise journalists to act professionally and present the truth as it is. Regarding the issue of the money, even if some amount did not go missing, it could not have been the amount mentioned. If Evans were here, he would have adjusted to the missing money. Well, so the issue is that, say, someone from Monsang Kano. One Kano, one Cassin Sikaira. I'll say, okay, so I say, Mr. Minta, good morning. I say, Sir John. Okay, I say, me ship dealer, but do you believe that the so-called, no, he's a journalist. He's not so-called, he's a journalist with class media. So, yes. Okay, so the so-called, okay, I think he must show proof of how 20,000 plus got into his, in procession. Okay. All right. Anyway, now I see any sikana. Agoene. Journalists are 20,000 nam. Hey, yo, scout. Reporter are 20,000 nam. 20,000 nam. Munyi ni oh. Munyi ni oh. Share. By na mo sika hihie botom sa de. Maybe be the kwaya de. Na wo hia me obeka say sika o me ho. Ya na ma sika de ya na ebi sika de bi wo ho na mum sa 20,000 so de ana odi mum say wo de 20,000 ete say na mu say the kwaya report sa no se hye ne bag ni mu mum yentie ni bio
say wa wonim yedwuma ye eno a eja to eye kaswa new market wonum ena na no pay yaba for ye update enti ye report the reporter yeguso a ye ya na ehu say eye fire service personnel so na toegu eye civilians no so a che say omobu omde omo helmet yi ebobobobo mu tiri a che say na eni eye nyan enti yeguso a ye edwuma me twa enti video na me guso a me twa ne the scene e koso na mu say fire personnel no baku approach me first and I make a chance say I'm a media person enti ono no e ko na chi ejaye enti na me hu ya ne say omu nyina si ato ho aba me so e be attack me start say omo bubo me belt say omo ati belt no and na me phone omo gi phone ni film nsem and omo di phone no e ko e enti later on no and na me realize say bag e say me ho no bag no so ebie enti me check hwe na che say misika 20,000 dey if you misika so enti no nia esi ye no fire service no fi kaswa fire service say eno fire service for bebre we 8 ne bae but o ma wi edwuma no eno mo je echi de ma ye kaswa fire station and bridge fire station for no enti o mo nan na ye beto o mo ha no pay a je say o mo so o mo hwe say ja no betumi akofo no makwa ye ni o mo nyina di dwuma sa se mu ekokosi ye say o ma attack me abo me hwe me say echi kura abo say mark o ma me mark kura o me say echi ha no mu say na she me ho say na ye obi sika amde kwa koye edwuma ere e de amano enti now no pay was say edwuma we enti was say me rush me wi ana me de ayede me de onipa ne sika kwa de akwa akoma no e na we mu nyina akwa akoba sika no bundle ba kokko e na ba ko no bundle ba ko no so me check in no so 200 ayede efi so enti na yes almost 220,200 e na efi me sika no so sisi ya say me police station my report to asem no wa ha no mu say o me take me statement in yanti no me train the next action from the police.
So that is Minuano na count of we are not defending him say be our centroni there but attack on journalists here or attack in this situation and even civilians said here ye hu video mu emu bia ni ho a o say yesoso so sa even when between two civilians cry no a there be a condemn say kronfo cry wo wache kronfo no men attack no handing over to the police. This is something we've been preaching on radio. Amwa security agencies nyina moka fire service moka ho bi nti se mo ankasa na mo ka ho no na se enei mo achi obi na mo so suspect se we ye kronfo e na mo de helmet hwehwiri trim eno he de we mo si tutu mo nsa ne helmet ne emfa ho ne ba bi e bebo so to fam tim e na ofiri mu a enka wo mo kra ne kan fo mo ho afi statement amode abai critically who assess who share statement na that's yeah kind of no paper mo introduce mo statement dem kan na alleged video na alleged afi mo wie be ka say altercation between firefighters and a suspected thief. Ade na alleged afi dem mo kire mu the wom na even se mo gitum so a suspected thief kra no a esi there na mo ye ne sei. By now, also Camrantia no woman, cassette and tabase are interdictuum. You get it? Isaac Ayaba, good morning. I see the statement from fire service is not. Ghanaians are not their children, so they should stop provoking us with lies. Benjamin Fancy said, well, see, most of the people don't understand the fire service work. That's why they insult them. Fighting for fire is not easy. Greetings to Kumkum. Isaac Swachia, MC Amo Kamel, and Chairman Sharif. Chairman, good morning. Afi Jackson Ebenezer so show me free. Kenya say bo sorry. I say I also take a lesson from Arahosemo SC. Hilda Hianyo, good morning. I say official Pastor John Hilda, good morning. Okay, authentic Francis Willido. I said the Ghana National Service personnel have done well.